There is another way of transferring files from CAD software to the milling machines. You can use a USB. Put the USB into the slit on the right-hand side of the machine. Click the folder icon. Choose USB copy at the bottom. Click the corner and select a file you want to mill. Click USB copy. It will then make a copy. Check your file number. For example, 1429.nc. Click Cancel. Select 1429.nc file and click Open. Make sure the file name on top is correct. You can now close the door. Click Start to start milling.